All right, thanks for joining us. I'm Erica Alverson.
Matt O'Brien.
We're with Alverson O'Brien, and we're going to chat to you today about, do I need a lawyer? This is a question we get asked all the time, and I think it's a worthwhile one. I understand why people are asking it, so we thought it'd be a good idea to sit down and chat about, why do you need a lawyer, or do you need a lawyer? So oftentimes people will call us with a little question. They'll say their case is going good, and they've got this one little question they just want to know the answer to, which I understand the desire behind that request. Problem with that is in the course of a case or a claim, there are multiple little things that are happening all the time that you may or may not know about, and each one of those will affect the outcome down the road. So you kind of want somebody on your side who knows the rules. You know, everybody else in the process knows the rules. The claims adjuster knows the rules. The doctors know the rules. You need somebody on your side who knows the rules.
You know, we've hit on this in some of these other forums that we've done, and we do this when we do our presentations, and I hit on this all the time. There are deadlines that exist that you are not privy to. And I cannot tell you how many times I've gotten a call, and the genesis of the call is, hey, I didn't know about this. Man, if I would have known about that, I would have done it. Why didn't anybody tell me about this? And the adjusters are not going to tell you about that. You meaning the injured worker, and the insurance company and their representative, which is the adjuster, are adversaries. Okay, you guys are opponents. They're not trying to tell you your rights. So you want somebody, like Erica said, on your side that does know the rights and is going to apply those rights to you to try and get the best outcome for you, and that is us. So the other kind of offshoot about that is, when should I get the attorney? And the simple answer to that is as soon as you call. I have people call a lot that'll say, okay, yeah, I'll call you back later if something goes wrong, and the sooner the better.
You don't know when things are going wrong. That's the point, right? And I think another thing that's really misunderstood with comp is that the doctors know the rules. So this, the doctor relationship in a workers' compensation claim is a little bit different than it would be if you were just going to your primary care physician. In Colorado, the employer has the right to select the physician you treat with. So that doctor, their whole business model is staying on that employer's list. If they anger the employer doesn't refer their workers to them anymore. So there's a conflict you need to kind of be aware of, and you need to know how to manage that as you go through the claim. So I agree with Matt. I would say that the sooner the better, because so many things happen through the course of a case that you just don't want to miss any of them.
And also, just from a money standpoint, why is it important to hire us early?
So we talked about this when we were getting ready to do this video. We take the same fee whenever you hire us through the process, right? Any claimant's attorney is going to take the same fee. It's a contingency fee, and it's what do you get at the end. So if you have us on the case the whole time, there's more benefit to that model.
Just one final thing, too, is nothing's going wrong on your claim right now. Do I need an attorney? Okay, great, like Erica said. So then you go to a medical appointment, and that doctor says, hey, I'm going to recommend an MRI for whatever body part is injured. Great. The doctor submits that request to the insurance company for payment. The insurance company denies it, okay? You call us up and say, hey, they denied my MRI, I need the MRI. If we are on the claim already, that saves a tremendous amount of time, because there is a lag time between us entering on the case and us being able to actually put some things in motion to try and ensure that you actually get that MRI. So if we're on the case, we're following the case the entire time, and we can be much more proactive on your claim.
We're biased, right? We're the attorneys, so we're going to say you need an attorney, but I would tell my neighbors, I would tell my friends, I would tell anybody in this system, you will do better on the end with an attorney by your side.